Has a sudden whiff of body odor ever made you cringe? And do you ever wonder how it might be affecting your daily interactions? Our body odor is an unspoken language, subtly influencing how we perceive each other. It's a byproduct of the bacteria on our skin, breaking down sweat into acids. That's right, it's not the sweat itself that stinks. Maintaining personal hygiene is key to ensuring healthy social interactions and self-confidence. So, are you ready to freshen up your scent? Let's dive into some simple yet effective DIY solutions to combat body odor. Ever wondered how apple cider vinegar can be your secret weapon against body odor? This common ingredient has potent antibacterial properties that help neutralize unpleasant smells. It's simple to use too. Start by diluting the vinegar with an equal amount of water. Then grab a cotton ball and soak it in this solution. Apply it to your underarms and let it work its magic. Remember, it's crucial to let it dry naturally before rinsing it off. This allows the vinegar enough time to break down the bacteria responsible for body odor. And don't forget, consistency is key. With regular use, this age-old remedy will help you notice a significant decrease in body odor. Next up, a combo of baking soda and lemon juice, a potent duo for body odor. Now here's how you prepare and use this dynamic duo. Start by mixing equal parts of baking soda and lemon juice. This will form a paste that's easy to apply. The baking soda in this combo acts like a sponge, absorbing sweat, while the lemon juice plays the role of a bacteria buster, killing those odor-causing microorganisms. Once you have your paste ready, slather it on your underarms and let it sit there for a few minutes. After that, simply wash it off. The result? A fresh and clean feeling that lasts. This is a natural and easy solution to keep body odor at bay. Last but not least, let's discuss the wonders of tea tree oil. This aromatic gem from Mother Nature's treasure trove is a potent antiperspirant and a powerful antibacterial agent. To harness its power, all you need to do is mix a few drops of tea tree oil into a cup of water. Once you have this prepared, take a cotton ball, dip it into your mixture, and gently apply it to your underarms. Now here's the crucial part. Let it dry naturally. This simple yet effective method allows the oil to work its magic, eliminating bacteria and reducing perspiration. So, with tea tree oil as your ally, you're just a few steps away from feeling fresh and odor-free. And there you have it, 3 DIY solutions to combat body odor. Apple cider vinegar, baking soda with lemon juice, and tea tree oil, all packed with benefits. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Stay fresh, stay confident,